Zeros, solutions, roots, and x-intercepts are all synonyms.
Since the problem's already isolated, we're going to go ahead and solve for this equation.
We are going to separate the equation into two, and we're going to write 3x minus 7 equals 2. Since it's the opposite, we're going to be doing negative 3x minus 7 equals 2. To solve the equation, we will add 7 to each side. We will be left with 3x equals 9. We will divide by 3 on each side and be left with x equals 3.
For this problem, you could either distribute it or divide it by -1. I'm choosing to divide it by -1, and you have to do it each side. So that's out, and now we're going to add 7 to each side. So it's going to be 3x equals 5. And you're going to divide it by 3. You have x equals 5 over 3.
We will do 3 times 3 minus 7 equals 2. We will multiply 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 7 equals 2. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. And since the absolute value bar doesn't really affect our equation, it will be 2 equals 2, and it checks out.
Now we're going to do the second equation. We're going to plug in 5 over 3 minus 7, and we have to add the absolute value bars. 3 times 5 over 3 is going to equal 5, and then you add the minus 7, and that's going to equal a -2. And then we add the absolute value bars, and the absolute value bars is going to affect this equation, so it's going to turn into a 2, a positive 2, and it's right.